Despite their small size, chia seeds offer many benefits, as they contain many important elements for the human body. In this video, we will learn about the benefits of chia seeds for the human body and what happens in your body. When you eat chia seeds daily, we are happy to subscribe to the channel. Let's go on the best healthy journey together. One of the benefits of chia seeds is that they promote heart health, as they contain a number of antioxidants, such as quercetin, which reduces the risk of many heart diseases. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce the risk of heart attacks. Chia seeds also help to lose weight, because chia seeds contain a large percentage of dissolved fiber, which absorbs water to form a gel-like substance that expands in the stomach, which may slow digestion and promote a sense of satiety for a longer period. The amount of proteins found in chia seeds reduces the desire to eat, leading to weight loss. In addition, chia seeds increase skin freshness because they contain antioxidants that fight free bodies, which prevents the effects of oxidative stress on the skin and promotes skin tissue repair and protection from damage. Not only that, but chia seeds also regulate cholesterol levels in the blood, as they raise good cholesterol levels and reduce bad cholesterol levels. The latest studies conducted on chia seeds have shown the ability of these seeds to improve bone health because they contain many compounds that are important in bone formation, such as magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. These compounds help to maintain bone density. Chia seeds also regulate blood sugar levels by avoiding high and low levels of sugar. They also fight diabetes and insulin resistance because they contain a large amount of fiber and linolenic acid. Chia seeds are also rich in many beneficial nutrients that the body needs, such as omega-3 acids, carbohydrates, proteins, dietary fiber, as well as calcium and antioxidants. There are many ways to enjoy eating chia seeds. Some of these ways are: eat the seeds in their raw form as they are. You can also soak the seeds and drink them with natural juices. You can also add chia seeds to oatmeal, breakfast cereal, yogurt, or salad. The last method is to add seeds to different baked goods, such as cake. At the end of the video, we recommend that you do not consume more than 3 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. Excessive consumption of chia seeds may cause some problems in the digestive system because they contain a high percentage of fiber. One of these problems is constipation, diarrhea, bloating. For pregnant women, chia seeds reduce the chances of constipation in pregnant women because they are rich in dietary fiber that helps improve bowel movement, in addition to facilitating digestion and excretion. The protein found in chia seeds also helps improve the development of fetal organs, in addition to containing omega acids, which promote fetal nutrition. Chia seeds also contain carbohydrates, which are essential and important nutrients for pregnant women, which provide their body with energy, activity and vitality, making them less susceptible to fatigue.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.